Hello, I'm Chris Fulton from FUTURESoftware, and I'm really happy to be here at ISE 2026, and even better, I'm on the TLS stand, the LED studio. So I'm currently in front of their fantastic LED product, Unity AIO, and the content is being driven from one of our products. So what we have here is an excellent LED screen designed for obviously large format displays, meeting rooms, education, a mixture of advertising, front of house. Our product which is driving it over here is the PIPView. This is a product designed for high-end meeting rooms where we have a touch screen interface where I'm able to resize multiple inputs. So we can take in laptops, we've got a product sharing device, we've got some video sources, laptops, I have a Mac and various other devices. We also have on our rack an STIX, which is an uncompressed video playback device, which is resolution independent, so we can do really big resolutions and nice things. We also have COLL-IN, which is our collaboration product, which basically turns a big screen into like this into a giant touchscreen where we can move and annotate and bring lots of different material on at the same time. I'm Chris Fulton. I'm the CEO of FUTURESoftware. And I'm very happy to be here. You can find us at future-software.co.uk. Our products are COLL-IN.com, PIPView.co.uk and stix.tv.